I am the mother of 3. I am the grandmother of 1. I have a husband who's a firefighter who's very active. For 20 years, I was an operating room nurse where I was on my feet all day. I was also very physically active. Biking, running, hiking, I was involved in everything. The first time I experienced hip pain was after a race. I didn't think anything of it. I thought that it would go away, so I kept pushing myself at work and with my weekly exercise routine. But I found myself slowing down. My range of motion kept decreasing, and I couldn't do the things that I used to do. When I finally decided to speak to an orthopedic specialist, it was too late. The arthritis had worn down the cartilage in my hip, creating bone-on-bone contact. It got to the point where the only recommended treatment option by my surgeon was to have a total hip replacement. Hip pain is exhausting. It is debilitating. I couldn't sleep more than an hour at night. I had trouble walking any distance at all. I stopped exercising completely. It's debilitating and depressing. It affected every aspect of my life. The pain eventually became so bad, I was looking forward to surgery. Looking back, I can't believe I waited so long. I had surgery on December 22nd, and the staff had me up and moving later on that afternoon. I was on my way to the airport after having surgery to go home when I got a call from my family that my daughter was going into labor. Now that's perfect timing. The Mako total hip replacement was a great choice for me. I feel better than I have in a long time. I can get back to the activities that I love to do. I should never have put it off for so long. I do a lot of walking. Walking's great exercise for me. I also use the stationary bicycle where I'm trying to build my muscles up so I can go back out on my road bike again. I would tell anyone not to wait as long as I did. I was in severe pain by the time I went into the hospital. I'm so happy with my result, and I plan to accomplish even more next year.